Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can apply the power rule of the derivative. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about ns to the power of n minus 1. So for example, this one that is about s to the power of number 4. So we put number 4 gone here. So we have 4s and we have 4 minus 1. You got number 3. So this one in here, that is about 4s to the power of number 3. This one that is about s to the power of number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. So we have 1s to the power of 1 minus 1. So s to the power of number 0, we got number 1. So that means this one we got about number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So we got like this. After we have this one, we can put number 2 gone here. And we have 20. This is the end. Thank you for watching.